Good morning students. Now today we are continuing with the exercise 2.2. In the last class we have seen the definition of the relation, domain, range and codomain of a relation and how many relation can be obtained from the set A to set B. So let me continue with the exercise 2.2. Now question number 1 is let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. Define a relation R from set A to A by R is equals to xy where 3x minus y is equals to 0 and xy belongs to A. Write down its domain, codomain and range. Now students हमें डोमेन कोडोमेन और रेंज लिखना है. सबसे पहले हमें इसको रिलेशन फाइंड करना है. सो व्हाट इज योर रिलेशन? xy 3x minus y is equals to 0 where xy belongs to A. Now as here what they have given 3x minus y is equals to 0. So we have written 3x minus y is equals to 0. So y is equals to 3x. Now what is your A students? A is equals to 1 to 14. Now if we take x is equals to 1 then x is equals to 1 then 3 into 1 that is equals to 3 so y is equals to 3. If x is equals to 2 then 3 2s are 6. If x is equals to 3 then y is equals to 3 3s are 9. If x is equals to 4 then y is equals to 3 4s are 12. If we take x is equals to 5 then y is equals 3 5s are 15. But as y is also belongs to A and 15 is not in A, so ये element हम नहीं लिखेंगे. This is not in the relation. So this is your relation. Now what the question is? Find out the domain, codomain and range. तो पहले हम domain find कर लेते हैं. So what is your domain? By the definition, set of first element. तो यहाँ से आप first element देख लीजिए क्या है 1 2, 3 and 4. So domain of R is the set 1, 2, 3, 4. Now codomain of R. तो उसके ये मैं आपको बाद में समझा रही हूँ. पहले हम फाइंड करते हैं range of R. So what is the range of R? That is the set of the second element of R. तो R के अंदर जो second element है that is the known as a range of the R. So let me write down how many are there. So 3, 6, 9 and 12. So 3, 6, 9 and 12 this is the range of the R. Now students as your relation R is defined from A to A and we know that range of any relation is always a subset of the codomain. Okay. तो यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं ये जो रेंज है 3, 6, 9, 12 it's a subset of A. Right, it is a subset of A. So therefore your codomain of R is set A. So therefore your codomain of R is the whole set A. Okay, so this is the whole set. Second set is known as a codomain. समझ में आया स्टूडेंट? क्या होगा? डोमेन मीन्स द सेट ऑफ द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट, रेंज सेट ऑफ द सेकेंड एलिमेंट एंड कोडोमेन तो जो सेकेंड एलिमेंट होगा. रिलेशन आपका यहां से यहां तक डिफाइन कर रहा है. द होल सेट बी इज नोन एज अ कोडोमेन. बी जो है उसको हम कोडोमेन बोलते हैं. ये वाले केस में हमारा बी क्या होगा? इट इज फ्रॉम ए टू ए. सो देयरफॉर योर बी इज ए. देयरफॉर योर कोडोमेन ऑफ आर इज A. Okay students, so this is your question number 1. You can note down this question in your notebook. So like this. Okay, no need to write down the extra thing. Only R is equal to this, then domain is this, codomain is this and range is this. Okay students, so let me see the next question. That is the question number 2. Now here your question number 2 is define a relation R on the set N of the natural numbers by R is equals to xy where y is equals to x plus 5 and x is a natural number less than 4. xy belongs to N. Then depict this relationship using the roster form. Write down the domain and the range. So here what is our R? R is the pair xy where y is equals to x plus y where x is less than 4 and x and y belongs to n. क्या लिखा है आपको, x इज नेचुरल नंबर लेस देन 4, तो x क्या होगा, लेस देन 4 एंड xy बिलोंग्स टू n. So let me find out. Now student, if x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 1 plus 5, 6. Why we have taken 1? Because x belongs to, yes, it is belongs to n. So 1, then 6, 2, then 7, 3, then 8. Okay, we cannot take 4 because x is less than 4. So we cannot take 4. So x r is equal 1, 6, 2, 7 and 3, 8. Now domain of our set of first element 1, 2, 3. Range of our set of the second element 6, 7 and 8. So done. So this is your answer 2. Now student, let me see question number 3. If A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 5 and B is equals to 4, 6, 9, then define a relation R from set A to B by xy. The difference between x and y is odd. Okay, how this define the relation? That x comma y, where difference between x and y is odd, where x belongs to set A and y belongs to set B. Now write R in the roster form. Now student, when we can say the difference of two number is odd, we know that if two numbers we are having like 2 and 3, so one number is even and another one is odd, then their difference is always the odd number. Right? So here remember this thing. So if we take x is equals to 1, then what can be y? Y should be the even number. So 1, 4, यहाँ से even number consider करेंगे. So 1, 4 and 1, 6. Right? If we take 2, so 2 is a even number. So from the second set we have to consider the odd number. So 2, 9. If you take 3, then 3, 4 and 3, 6. If you take 5, then 5. 3, 4 and 3, 6. And if we take 5, then 5 is equals to, wrong student here, 5, 4 and 5, 6. So this is your relation R. So they have asked you to write down R in the roster form. So you write down 1, 4, 1, 6, 2, 9, then 3, 4, 3, 6 and 5, 4, 5, 6. Right. Now students, what can be the range and the domain in this question? So range mean, domain means the first element. So first element check karo, 1, 2, 3 and 5. The whole set A. So domain is equals to A. Now what is your range? Range is the second set. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 4, 6. So your set is 4, 6 and 9. And here you can check student कि codomain और B जो है codomain is same is equals to the range, that is equals to 4, 6, 9. Okay student, ये हमें पूछा नहीं गया है, but we have find this extra. So your concept of domain, range and codomain must be clear. Okay students, so this is your question number 3. Let me see the next question, that is a question number 4. So here your question number 4 is, question number 4 is, the figure 2.7 shows the relationship between the sets P and Q. Write the relation in the set builder form and the rest roster form. What is its domain and the range? तो डोमेन और रेंज तो आपको यहां से क्लियर हो जाएगा स्टूडेंट. द सेट ऑफ द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट इज नोन एज अ डोमेन. तो डोमेन क्या होगा, 5, 6, 7. Range, the set of the second element, that is 3, 4 and 5. Now question is how to write down in a set builder form. Roster form में तो problem है नहीं. 5 to 3, 6, 4, 7, 5. So I have written first in a roster form. 5 is related to 3. So 5, 3. 6 किसके साथ related है, 4. So 6, 4. And 7, 5. तो roster form हो गया. Now relation if you want to describe, then how we can find out x, y. Relation क्या है तो आप देख सकते हो. If it is x is equals to 5, then y is equals to 5 minus 2. तो मतलब क्या आप इसको 3 तरह से लिख सकते x और you can check the difference in each pair is 2. 5 minus 3, 2, 6 minus 4, 2, 7 minus 5, 2. तो ये जो रिलेशन है मैंने लिखा है, दैट डिफरेंस इज 2. x minus y is equals to 2. Anyone can return as a x is equals to 2 plus y or y plus 2. or someone can written as y is equals to x minus 2. It is depend upon you student कि आप कौन सा relation वहां पे लिख रहे हो. Okay, which you can observe और अपने हिसाब से लिख लीजिए. If any three you write, then it is correct. Where x belongs to the set 5, 6 and 7, or here 5, 6, 7 set is denoted by set P. So here you can write down x belongs to set P. Then also no problem with this. So this is your set builder form. Now next question is what is its domain and the range. तो domain मैंने अभी आपको बताया set of the first element. So 5, 6, 7 and range is second 3, 4, 5. So in this way student we can solve question number 4. So you can check this question and note down in your notebook. Okay students, now let me see question number 5. So here your question number 5 is, let A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. Let R be the relation on A defined by AB, where AB belongs to A and B is exactly divisible by A. Then write R in the roster form, domain of R and range of R. So let me write down first your relation in the roster form. What is your R? AB is equals to AB belongs to A and B is exactly divisible by A. So if I take A from the capital A, that is 1. तो 1 exactly divide किसको करेगा? 1 will be divisible by 1. Okay, हमें check करना है second number is divisible by the first one. So 1 divisible by 1, yes. 2 will be divisible by 1, yes. 3 is divisible by 1, yes. 4 divisible by 1 and 6 divisible by 1. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 and 1, 6. Now if I take 2, then 2 is divisible by itself. So 2, 2. Then 2 and 4. Then 4 is divisible by 2. Similarly 6 is divisible by 2. So 2, 2, 2, 4, 2, 6. Then if I take 3, then 3, 3 and 3, 6. If I take 4, then only 4, 4. And 6, then only 6, 6. So this is our relation R in the roster form. Now, as we written in the roster form, now question is write down domain and the range. तो domain का मतलब क्या हुआ? Set of first element. Range, set of second element. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is your question number 5 students. Now let me see question number 6. Now here you have question number 6 and 7. So these two questions 6 and 7 I am giving to you for the solution. Please do it by yourself. Easy question है, आपसे हो जाएंगे. Okay. 6 के अंदर क्या फाइंड करना है? डोमेन एंड द रेंज ऑफ द रिलेशन डिफाइंड बाय x, x plus 5 and x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second number, that is question number 7. Write the relation R is equals to x, x cube, where x is a prime number less than 10. So do it this question by yourself student. This is your homework. Now question number 8. Let A is equals to x, y, z and B is equals to 1, 2. Then find the number of relation from A to B. तो A to B में कितने relation होंगे वो हमें find करना है. So this thing we know that number of relation from the set A to the set B with the number of A is equals to P and number of element of B is equals to Q is 2 raised to PQ. ठीक है. So here number of A is equals to 3, number of B is equals to 2. So यहाँ पे आपको मिल रहा है P is equals to 2, Q is equals to, P is equals to 3 and Q is equals to 2. So total number of relation is 2 raised to PQ, that is 2 raised to 6, that is equals to 64. Now question number 9. Let R be the relation on Z defined by R is equals to AB, where A minus B is an integer. Now student, here the R is defined from the set Z to the set Z. Okay, set of integer से set of integer पे define करता है. And A minus B is integer. So we know that if two number are integer, then its difference is also integer. So if R is equal to this, then this is the infinite relation. Why? क्योंकि इसका set ही infinite पे जा रहा है. और अगर आप पेयर फाइंड करने के लिए जाओ तो मैंने 0 से लिखा है. सो 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, so on 0 minus 1, 0 -2 सो ऑन। अगर -1 से बात करें तो -1 कॉमा -1 -1 कॉमा 0 -1 कॉमा 1. So you can take difference of any these two number, then it will be integer only. So there are infinitely many elements are there. Okay, if you consider 1, then there are also the infinite number of the elements will be there. So here domain is the first element, the 0 1, then next will be 2, the previous will be -1 -2 so on. So this is your domain, that is set Z. Range is also the second element. You can see 0 1 -1, then 2 3 so on. So this is range is also Z. So this is your question number 9, student. With this I will just stop today, because your exercise 2.2 is completed. Now in the next class we will discuss the next concept of this chapter. Till that, please study well. Thank you and have a nice day.